Hello everybody. Now we are discussing about magnification. What is magnification and its how to find in the sums. They'll ask magnification value they'll give and first to find draw ray diagram. For that how to find those all we'll discuss. Now in the previous video we have seen sign conventions on concave mirror and convex mirror. So now let's discuss magnification. The definition of magnification is the ratio between height of image and height of object. This is the definition for the magnification. That means hi by ho, height of image by height of object. I means image, h means height here. Also we can write as minus v by u. Two formulas, minus of image distance by object distance or h of hi by h naught. These are the formulas. So direct m, magnification m is denoted by magnification denoted by m, hi by ho is equals to minus v by u. This is the formula for the magnification. So now let's discuss the ray diagrams, means how to find ray diagram when magnification is given. There are 3 steps in that. Three steps. First one, m greater than 1. Second one, m less than 1. M is equals to 1. Third one. 3 rules. M is greater than 1, m is less than 1, m is equals to 1. So, m is greater than 1. Magnification is hi by ho we can take. Height of image by height of object. So we are giving image preference here. Image preference we are giving. So image is greater than 1. We can take hi greater than ho. Height of image greater than height of object. M is greater than 1 means. Greater indicates enlarge. It indicates the enlarge here, enlarge. M greater than 1 indicates enlarge. Greater means enlarge. Here lesser means diminish. Equals to means same size. We'll write. Enlarge we are giving preference to image. 3 points we are getting. First one, second one, now third one we are discussing. Image preference is enlarge. Means in which ray diagram in the concave mirror, which ray diagram will get image enlarged. Image should be enlarged when object is between C and F. Object is between C and F and image. Image is beyond C. Beyond C is the image. Then we will get to enlarge. Enlarge image now. So this is when magnification example 4. It is a plus 4. 4 it is greater than 1. We will apply this rule. So image should be beyond C and object is between C and F. Now m is less than 1. Here greater than 1 means height of image. Image preference now. Height of image greater than height of object. Here height of image less than the height of object. Height of image less than the height of object. As we are taken m less than 1. Less is there. That's why height of image is less than the height of object. Enlarge. Opposite. Diminished. Diminished. So this is the image. Image is diminished. Image here is diminished. So object same opposite. exact reverse of m greater than 1, m less than 1. Here hi greater than h, so here it is less. Enlarge, here it is diminished. So object position is between C and F. Here image position is between C and F. Here object image is beyond C. Here object is beyond C. This reverse. This is about the m is greater than 1, m is less than the 1. Now we will discuss m is equals to 1. m is equal to 1. m is equal to 1 means height of image m is equals to 1. Height of image is equals to the height of object at which ray diagram, means both are at same size. Same size, they are equal. At C, object image also at C, means both are object and image at C, means we will get the same size. Then magnification is equals to 1 here. This is now we have discussed about the magnification one. So let's discuss the direct table. Means briefly we will discuss. M is greater than the 1, m is equal to 1, m is less than 1. Here magnification always image preference only. So greater than 1 means hi greater than 1. Enlarge. Enlarge, same size, diminished. Diminished. So enlarge, same size, diminished. Enlarge means image. Where image is enlarged? Beyond C. Beyond C, at C, diminished. These are all of image only. Image characteristics. This also should be image characteristics. Diminished image. Between C and F. Between C and F is the image. Diminished image. So these also characteristics of image. This is the table of the magnification, direct table. So in this video we have discussed magnification and if there will be any magnification value. For that how to draw ray diagrams. Means these are how to find. Thank you.